Crystal Cable is always have been about bridges between music and engineering, between material science and lifestyle, between listeners all around the world and people in our factory making all these beautiful cables for them. All these bridges serve one ultimate goal, which is the goal of high-end audio in general, to get the live experience of a concert or a performance into our living rooms. This is a mission, and with every new product development, we are getting closer and closer to that goal. Crystal Cable shares the factory and the offices with Siltech. We are in the Netherlands, in a small village. The company is now working with about 40 employees. It's a big family. It's not only a real family, like my husband Edwin and our sons working in the company, but all the employees get into this familiar feeling, working together on both brands, making the science, the research, the production development, everything together for both brands. So we were proud to finally introduce the Diamond 2 series in December 2022. Finally, because at Crystal, we only introduce new product range when we are 100% sure of a big step ahead. So for the last 13 years, we were doing research and development to get to this point. We chose to call it Diamond Series 2 and not another name, because the Diamond Series was an iconic product range for us, and we wanted the name to live on.
Diamond Series 2 is actually a continuation of the very beginning of Crystal Cable in 2004. It started with the standard and reference models, and 1 year later we added Piccolo and Micro. Those initial cables stirred up the high-end audio industry by being hair-thin, yet very technically advanced cables, which were unlike anything else which is available on the market. These products became the Diamond Series in 2010, and the Diamond Series lasted until 2022. We usually keep our products in there for a long time because we only launch something new when it's really a significant improvement over the previous series. Diamond Series 2 comprises of 4 ranges, being Piccolo 2, Micro 2, Reference 2 and Ultra 2. The great thing about the way the ranges are built up is that when you move up from one range to the next, you get a very constant quality improvement. It all starts with the conductor, where we use our proprietary silver and gold alloy, where we inject gold particles into the natural crystal structure of the silver, which gives a more conductivity and a very warm and homogeneous sound. And then we use Teflon and Kapton by DuPont as insulation materials. They are very rigid and good insulators, which gives the sound a very dynamic and fast character. As you go up through the ranges, we use more of these materials, which ensures that you get a very constant quality improvement, and the sound character also remains the same because we use the same materials. Another improvement with respect to the previous Diamond series is that we use more conductors now to optimize them for their use. The RCA and the speaker cables are double coaxial design now. Balanced XLR and the power cables use a triple coaxial designs for better quality in all the ranges. Diamond Series 2 is really at the core of the Crystal Cable portfolio. It builds on a legacy of the original Crystal Cable models, but then improves it in every way possible.
I can't stress enough how much we learned in this past 13 years, from the development, from using our core material, the research, the development and the production, until reaching this point with the new series. We use our signature silver-gold metallurgy conductors, which is refined during all these years. And this is the cornerstone of all our products. I am proud that our new Diamond Series 2 is the latest bridge for our music-loving friends.